All right. All right. That's it. Now we got you. Do any of your stuff in Alaska? You worked out? You worked with that guy that you went with? La 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 la. You take stuff from there.
I guess so.
Okay, I never saw that bag. Well, I forgot about it.
It's all Turkish music for me.
It's Turkish, eh? And you don't like Turkish music because it's too close to you.
I like, but
For me, it's not Turkish music. I don't know what music this is. It's just got a good beat. But Arabic, Turkish, all this stuff always had a great beat. I always loved it. We didn't like it, but because it was Arabic, right? But,
it's very true music.
yeah, it's great music. It's
Very deep.
What's the
phone number
time.
here? What's the phone number here?
Why do you need my phone number?
Because my friend wants to call me.
Oh, okay. 707 99 79.
Hey, he was at the station waiting for us. He was at the train station between 8 and 8:30 waiting for us.
No.
Hello? Yo! So you were at the train station waiting for us. Oh. Yeah. Right. Really? Huh? Yeah. Well, right now we're at Kaiserstraat and Utrechtstraat. Yeah. Yeah. You have a female roommate now. Wow. Okay. All right. All right, cool. Yeah, and I got a shitload of candy in my backpack for you. Huh? Yeah. Yeah. Hey, well, guess what? I brought you only stuff you could get in America.